Okay, right. I'm here again to show you the last section is projects. So no projects to show. So we are going to add the first one, and the name is called, for example, name random name A C intro description. I don't wanna any description. Just the one thing. If I click on save, we can see a warning. We can read field name and push intro and choose client 2, please. This warning is because we didn't choose any client, so we are going to tap to choose, and now we can see the two clients we have. Tap to select the name. So I'm going to choose this project for David. So click on David, and the client is David, and the name is AC. Save, and now we can save. The name is AC for David. Okay, so projects, this project, and we are going to see all the details of this project. Okay, the name, description, client, and all the total details such as build and unbuild is 0, hours, everything is 0, items is 0, and bills, if we click, is empty as well. Okay, we are going to add and edit several hours, items, and bills. The first thing to do is going to add a new bill. So for this client belongs two bills with this reference, the first bill, and the second one with the reference. So we are going to add the second one, for example. Okay, click on it, and now if we click on bills, we have the bill we selected before. Okay, it's alright. And this bill has everything we added before. The unpaid, executable we added before, one item was one car, and we can add more things because it's unpaid. So okay, it's alright, perfect. Okay, one thing to show. For example, if I want to add another bill, was updated because the second one is on the project, so we cannot add again the bill, and we can see the click. Okay, this is the click, the detail to know. And if we click, okay, we click again, and nothing changed because it's the same bill to add. So we only can add another one, but I am not interested on adding this bill. So this is only bill I want to add for this project, and we can see was updated all the details and the balance in that bill. Okay, was billed obviously, and this is the total, and unbilled is 0, hours in that bill is 0 as well, and we can see the total. Okay, that's really good. So right now I want to add, apart from bills, I want to add hours and items, but I don't want that hours and that items build. It's just to make an estimate the project without invoicing. So I'm going to add hours, for example 2 hours 45 minutes of plumber, for example, and no taxes. So click on save for this project. Are you sure to add? Yes, I'm sure. Okay, so now we can see how was updated. Hours was unbilled and the total, and we can see the build is still 0, and here nothing changed because was an hour, and the bills nothing changed. Okay, and the total we can see unbilled total is 16.5. Okay, it's alright. So now I'm going to add and build items. For example, only one car. Okay, with some taxes. Okay, alright. Save for this project. I'm sure. Okay, alright. And now was updated the items and the unbuilt items. So that's good, really good with 5055. Okay, the total has changed, and this one is the same because it was an item, and we can see the actualization on unbuilt total. Okay, so that's really good for our project with estimations and bills. And now we can see more in details the build items and unbuilt items to know how many items and hours we have. For example, on hours is 0, so it's empty this table. Okay, that's really good. And I want to see the unbuilt hours I have. So if I click on this row, I'm going to see the plumber, and if I click on plumber I can see the details, and it's 2 hours for this plumber and 45 minutes, and is no for any bill. Okay, that's good. And if I go to items as well, I can see the build items is 1 car, and I can see press and hold to solve details, quantity just 1, and the reference of the bill. Okay, good. And I can see as well the unbuilt items, and it's just 1 car as well, and no reference because it's unbuilt. Okay, that's really good. So I can manage everything with estimations and bills, how I was showing to you. So that's really good to manage everything for stock, any information about our bills. And the last thing to do, the last thing to show is how can edit and delete all the items and all the projects and all the clients. But just the last thing to do is just to show how was updated the invoiced and unvoiced for this client, and we keep going to adding more projects. This balance is gonna be updated, so like before. So that's really good to know all the stock taking in our application. So we can see everything. Okay, the last thing to show is how can we delete the things, and is click on and move the row, and we can see the button delete. But I don't want to delete this item, so we can delete everything in anywhere. Okay, it's alright. And the bills here as well, I can push wall delete. Okay, it's alright. I'm going to show you one example. For example, in bills, I'm going to delete one of them. For example, this one. I can click here, and I can click on edit button with 2 options: edit here and delete, and done. I'm going to delete like this. Delete. Okay, alright. And for example, an item, I'm going to delete this item with a different way. Click on edit, this button, and delete. Okay, and done. Okay, it's alright. It's working well, everything. Delete and client as well. If I go to bills, I can see this client updated without the other bill was deleted. Okay, so this is also I can delete as well the projects. Click on edit, less, and delete. But right now I don't want to delete, so okay, it's alright. So that's all. That's all my invoicing application. Thank you for listening to me, and thanks for everything. Okay, bye bye. Cheers.